Girls, today we learn about how functions are used in a C and how it will be solved. Today, the agenda of this PPT is first we study about the basic structure of C, then what is the function, how it is implemented in real time and its type, then how the functions will be implemented in a pointers, where to apply these functions. These are we have to be going to be studying now. Just a recap how the structure of C is. First, documentation section, second link section, third definition section, then fourth global declaration section. Okay. Next to global declaration section, there is a main function. Within main function, there is a declaration part and execution part. After the main function, we will be list out the functions. This will be called as user defined functions. Today we have to be learn about this functions only. How these functions will be implemented in our real life. Actually, function means it specifies some set of work. It is an example for the structure of a C. In documentation section, we specify the name of the program. And next one is preprocessor directives, where we have to be include the header file. Next one is definition section, where we have to be define global declaration sections, where also we have to be define only. In main function only we will be specify our workout function. In function also we have to be specify our functions, what we have to be implemented. Actually, the function contains the set of programming statements enclosed by double parentheses. A function can be called multiple times to provide reusability and modularity to the C program. Actually, these functions are implemented in real life in ATM center. How in ATM center this function will be implemented means today everyone go to the ATM where first we have to be insert our card. Okay, after inserting the card, the first option will be asking what enter the PIN number. Second one is what is it will be asked choose the menu. From the menu only we have to be choose our function, whether we have to be deposit our amount, whether we have to be check our check our statement, or we go withdraw our amount. These only we call as the function. Hope you now understand what is the function. Okay. Next we move to the function aspects. We have how the functions will be a function. That only we have to be see. First we have to be declare the function, then function call, then we have to be provide the function definition. I will be explain in the program these and all. There will be two types of function, library function and user defined function. Okay. Different aspect of a function calling in function we have. First one is function without arguments and without return value, function without arguments and with return value, function with the arguments and without return value, function with the arguments and with the return values. First we see the example for the function without argument and return values. Okay. First we have to be what we have in the PPTA. You listen. First point we have to be include the preprocessor directive. After that we call the function void sum. This will be called as function declaration. Okay, within a void main we call the sum of function. Okay, next one is what first point I will be saying on function aspect means what and all we need. First one is declare, second one is calling the function, third one is we have to be narrate that a function what will be do. That only it will be specified here. Function without argument and within return value means the function does not pass the argument but return is the value. Here I will be give on an example program for that. Please be noted it. In previous class itself I will be explaining everything how it will be a function that and all. If you have any doubt means you have to be clarified with me. Next one is function with argument and without return values. That function have the argument but does not return the value. Here see the function here is the void sum of int input. That means it pass some argument to the function. Okay. In computation process, you see the function does not return the value, but we have to be print its function's values. Without returning the values, we get the output of this program. Okay. Then function with the argument and with return values. Okay. The function have the arguments. The computation of the function arguments should return its values to the main function. From that main function, we have to be display our output to the users. Next we see about the function pointers. Function pointers are like a normal pointers, but they have the capability to point to a functions. Actually, pointer means it store the address of the locations of the variables. Similar only, the functions also be a function. The function does not hold its values directly. Through the reference only, it will be accessed. This will be called as the function pointers.